saw this video on TikTok and I want to try it. So this is the before. I'm gonna do what they advise to do, and I'll show you guys after an hour. So these are the ingredients. Ice, that's what they say. Just gonna put the ice in there, have it as a base. Oh, and then you will take salt, just sprinkle salt, and then vinegar. So you put your vinegar in there. I don't even know if I put too much, but yeah. And a little bit, and I'm gonna leave this to set for an hour, and I will show you guys the results. Okay guys, I got very excited, so I just poured the whole concoction down the drain, and then I took a paper towel and wiped my kettle, and as you can see, it's as good as new. So it works, and here's the evidence.